Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unlocking the secrets of two Lincoln pennies that look totally ordinary, but can hold wealth beyond imagination. Yes, these tiny 1-cent coins from the United States might be hiding million-dollar errors that could flip your entire life overnight. Most people spend them without thinking, but a rare condition or powerful mint flaw can turn these pennies into treasures worth more than gold. So stay with me, because if you have even one of these coins lying at home, your fortune might already be waiting in your pocket. The first up, in the massive ocean of American coins, the 2001 D. Lincoln cent is a kind of treasure nobody expects, yet everyone hopes to find. It hides in plain sight, sitting quietly in drawers, falling behind car seats, resting in old jars of spare change. But inside this tiny copper-plated coin is a thunderstorm of value that can rewrite your destiny. Most people pass it by without a second thought, but the few who understand its deeper story know that a flawless 2001 D penny can carry the kind of worth that shakes the entire world of numismatics. Not because of its metal, not because of its age, but because of the extremely rare, almost mythical conditions and errors that have turned ordinary pennies into million-dollar legends. This coin came from the Denver Mint during a time when billions of pennies were being produced. Yet despite this huge production, a handful of coins escaped with extraordinary qualities. Imagine a coin struck with such perfection that no scratch, no nick, no flaw exists on its mirror-like surface. Imagine another coin struck by accident with a doubled image, a missing layer, or a misaligned strike that creates a 1 in a billion rarity. These are the coins collectors chase with ferocity. These are the coins that have pushed bidding wars into unimaginable heights. And among them, the 2001 D. Lincoln cent has quietly developed a reputation for producing some of the rarest conditions seen in modern pennies. What makes this penny so dangerous, in the financial sense, is that people underestimate it. They assume a 2001 penny is too new, too common, too ordinary to matter. But hidden among the billions are coins struck in elite million-condition quality, perfectly centered, razor-sharp detail, deep blazing luster, and surfaces so untouched they look frozen in time. When a coin like this enters a grading room, magic happens. A common penny suddenly transforms into a fortune, and collectors with deep pockets compete to own the single best example on Earth. That competition is what pushes the value from cents to thousands to unthinkable millions when a coin carries an error and flawless preservation together. And that's where your story begins. Because if you have a 2001 D penny lying somewhere in your home, you may not realize the potential wealth you're holding. Some pennies from this year were struck using over-polished dies, creating ghost-like details. Others show surprising doubling around the lettering or date. A few rare ones were struck off-center, creating dramatic artwork like pieces. And once in a while, an extraordinary miracle occurs, a coin struck on the wrong metal planchet, giving it a weight and sound unlike any other. These are the coins that no collector wants to let slip away. These are the coins that ignite the kind of value people only dream about. In today's market, the demand for flawless modern coins has exploded. Collectors no longer focus only on old silver or ancient copper. They want perfection, rarity, and mystery. And the 2001 D. Lincoln cent fits this new age of collecting perfectly. When a rare condition coin appears, the price shoots through the roof instantly. That's why some examples have been whispered about in coin circles as having reached values in the millions when they show a powerful combination of rarity, dramatic error, and untouched condition. A coin like that doesn't just sell. It causes a storm. It becomes a headline. It becomes a treasure that can change its owner's destiny overnight. Think about it. A single penny, something people throw away or ignore, suddenly become the key to unimaginable wealth. This is why experts say never judge a coin by its date. Many of the world's most valuable coins were once considered ordinary until one collector noticed something the world had missed. Your 2001 D penny could be hiding a spectacular error or an insanely high-grade preservation that makes it stand out from every other penny minted that year. And if you are the one holding that coin, you're not just holding a penny. You're holding the power to transform your financial future in one single moment. The beauty of this coin lies in the fact that its potential is unpredictable. Every collector, every grader. Every expert knows that modern pennies contain surprises. A coin with perfect luster can look like fire under light. A coin with a dramatic strike through error can display textures never seen before. A coin preserved in a forgotten roll can come out looking like it was minted yesterday, untouched by time. These are the coins that break market expectations and bring life-changing value to the people lucky enough to find them. And the 2001 D. Lincoln cent, with all its hidden mysteries, fits this pattern more than most. So if you have this coin, don't rush, don't spend it, and don't underestimate it. Treat it like a seed of infinite possibility. Clean lighting, close inspection, magnification. These small steps can help reveal secrets that were invisible to the naked eye. A tiny doubling, a crisp strike, or an unusual feature can be the difference between an ordinary penny and $1 million masterpiece. And because collectors are constantly searching for the next big rarity, the 2001 D has become a hot target for those who understand its potential. In the end, the story of the 2001 D. Lincoln 1 cent is not just about copper or metal. It's about opportunity, timing, and fate. It's a reminder that fortune often hides in the smallest places, waiting for the right eyes to recognize its worth. This coin might be resting in your pocket, your book, your drawer, or your old savings jar, silently holding power beyond imagination. And if you're the one who discovers that rare masterpiece, your fortune could change in a single heartbeat. That is the magic, the mystery, and the extraordinary promise of the 2001 D. Lincoln cent, a simple penny with potential to make you a millionaire overnight. The second up, in the world of American coins, the 1984 D. Lincoln cent is one of those silent giants, a coin so ordinary in everyday life, yet so shockingly powerful when found in its rarest form. Most people handle this penny without ever realizing that inside this tiny copper-plated piece lies a potential for unimaginable wealth. It was minted during a time when billions of coins poured out of the Denver Mint. But hidden among that sea of production are coins that collectors would fight for with everything they have. And if you're lucky enough to have one of those rare, flawless, or error-struck 1984 D pennies, that single coin could become the spark that changes your life forever. This isn't just a penny. It's the quiet heartbeat of a fortune waiting to explode. The year 1984 is legendary among coin hunters because several unexpected die issues appeared during this period, creating coins with astonishing varieties. While most people ignore this penny, true collectors know that a perfect condition 1984 D or an ultra-rare era version can reach values that stretch into the millions in today's high-stakes numismatic market. These special coins were born not from intentional design, but from the unpredictable nature of minting, where pressure, alignment, and tiny microscopic imperfections can create a rarity that no machine can reproduce again. That's exactly why this coin carries mystery, excitement, and the possibility of wealth beyond imagination. What makes the 1984 D. Lincoln cent so dangerous, financially, is that it looks too innocent, too plain, too forgettable. It blends into pocket change, disappears inside piggy banks, and sleeps silently in old jars. But the rare million condition pieces are different. They shine with lightning-like luster. Their design is so sharp that Lincoln's coat, hair, and lettering look carved with precision. And when the coin carries a dramatic mint error, like doubling, misstrike, or a die issue, its value goes from pocket change to jaw-dropping numbers. These are the coins collectors don't want to miss. These are the coins that can make even an expert freeze in excitement the moment they see them. Some 1984 D pennies exhibit unusual doubling in areas most people never check. Around the ear, the lettering, or the date. Others have striking pressure variations that give the design a bold, raised appearance. A few coins were struck with worn dies, producing ghost-like outlines that collectors go crazy for today. And then there are the once-in-a-lifetime miracle pieces. Pennies struck off-center on foreign planchets or with missing layers, which instantly turn an ordinary coin into a millionaire maker. These errors are so rare that even seasoned collectors may search their entire lives and never find one. But you might be holding that miracle coin right now without realizing it. Today's coin market is more intense than ever. Collectors are seeking modern rarities with fierce passion, and the 1984 D. Lincoln cent has become a key target because of its explosive potential. A flawless coin with a perfect grade can command astronomically high prices at auctions, especially when it stands alone as the single finest example of its year. And when that kind of perfection mixes with dramatic error, the price doesn't just rise, it skyrockets beyond logic, pushing into millionaire territory. That's why experts warn collectors never to underestimate common-looking coins from the 1980s. Inside them may live the kind of rarity that changes history. Imagine your own 1984 D penny. Maybe it's resting in a drawer. Maybe it's been forgotten in an old wallet. Maybe you picked it up years ago without even thinking about it. Now imagine discovering that the simple coin hides a rare flaw or a perfect surface preserved by time itself. In that moment, everything changes. A tiny copper cent becomes a doorway to financial freedom. A coin you ignored for years suddenly holds the power to erase debts, open businesses, or transform your family's future. That is the magic of numismatics. Not every treasure is gold or silver. Some treasures weigh just 2.5 grams and have a D mint mark beneath the date. Every collector knows the thrill of discovering something extraordinary in something ordinary. And in 1984, D Lincoln cent is the ultimate symbol of that thrill. A microscopic difference, a tiny doubling, a crisp detail, or an unusual texture. These small things can turn this penny into a masterpiece worth more than luxury cars, houses, or even some rare gold coins. That's why numismatists search relentlessly. They know that history's greatest coin finds often come from the most unexpected places. And this penny from 1984 is one of those coins that constantly surprises the market with new discoveries. If you have this coin, do not rush. Do not spend it carelessly. Do not overlook it. Treat it like a silent seed of possibility. Under the right light, under the right magnification, the truth of this coin reveals itself. One small detail can be the difference between an ordinary cent and $1 million treasure. And because collectors around the world are constantly hunting for the next great rarity, even a slight error or a nearly perfect condition 1984, D penny can set off a bidding war that pushes the value into unimaginable heights. At the end of the day, the story of the 1984 D Lincoln cent is a reminder that fortune often hides in small, unexpected forms. Sometimes wealth arrives not in gold bars or real estate, but in a tiny copper coin lying unnoticed in your home. This penny carries history, mystery, and the thrilling possibility of instant transformation. And if fate has placed a rare masterpiece from 1984 in your hands, your fortune could change not tomorrow, not next month, but in a single heartbeat. That is the incredible power of the 1984 D Lincoln penny, the coin that can turn an ordinary life into an extraordinary destiny overnight.